So my name's Christine DiPillo and I work at J.P. Chase in the Multifamily Lending Group. We finance apartment buildings, 5 units and more. I think that's the number one question that's on everyone's mind is where are the rates going to go? We've seen a lot of volatility this year. The rates have kind of moved up and down, especially with the new administration, with new legislations going on. But, we saw the rates dip into the 5s this year, which got everyone a little excited. They've kind of trickled back into the 6s, but it's a moving target. It changes daily, so it's best to contact me, and I'm happy to discuss rates with you. Choosing the right lender, there's a lot of things that you should think about. I think rate is obviously top of mind. What you want to do with your loan proceeds. Do you want to take cash out? If it's a purchase, how much down payment are you putting in? I think a big thing people overlook is the cost of the loan. There's sometimes a lot of other banks or lenders have some hidden fees. Maybe they charge points, which makes the loan a little more expensive, and you end up paying more for a lower rate. At Chase, we're a 0-point lender. We cover the cost of title and escrow on refis, which I'm pretty sure no other lender can say. And we're really fast, and you know what you're going to sign up for when you work with Chase. Working with Chase, we've been around for a long time. We're the largest bank in the world. It comes with a certain certainty when you work with us. We're going to get your loan done. We're going to get it closed. We're going to deliver on what we offer you. There's no hesitation there. When you work with us, you know what you're going to get. And I think going into, especially a purchase with that type of confidence that your lender has your back and your lender is going to be there for you, it's priceless. Yeah, we love AOA. We're happy to be at the trade shows and to be there to educate the members on, where the rates are, what the best financing options they have for their 5-unit plus apartment building.